Hello everybody, it's me, the Vice Devil, and today I am showing you my Geometry Dash. Yes, I know it's unfinished, and there are some things here and there, and sorry about the background noise. I'm in class, so yeah. So this right here is my map. So when I run this, it takes a minute, trust me, it does. How you doing? Oh, I do have collision, but yeah, but this is the map running. As you can see, I'm dying without hitting anything. This game is unfinished. But yeah, this is how you basically. This is my geometry map. So, but yeah, that's the map, and it just repeats the same thing. So, anyway, so this is the whole map. We have the spikes at the top, spikes at the bottom. Goes on for 10. Down here is how we get gravity to work. It says false, and it'll be connected to our jump key, which is our up key. That's how it's played. These are all the other commands. We don't need them right now because we don't need really key down. This is our collision. So that's what my player is hitting every time it hits the air for some odd reason. So that's something we need to fix. This is my render section. This is where everything runs. And this is a failed attempt at trying to code the again. And this is how we make the triangle show up and run off our map. The map offset is how we get everything to repeat itself. I hope I'm not messing anything up. But this is the whole calculation for the hitbox. And I set it for the other console to say, oh, I hit something. And it would give me the coordinates where it hit, so I could see. Let's see. Sorry if I am talking a lot. While runs the whole game. This scrolls the map, and this code makes it loop when it's done. Jump, gravity, and did I put anything in these? Nope. Oh, wait. Nope, did not put. Wait. Oh, okay. There's noise over there. And, like, for this, it would see, like, anything with a 1 would equal a filled triangle. So, crap. I ran out of stuff to talk about. I am so sorry. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in whatever I make. Bye-bye. Oof, voice crack.